Alright, Ed, here's your house. Here's your house. Here's your house, Ed. Not only are you getting a picture, you're getting a video. Aren't I great for you? You're more than welcome. Okay? You're more than welcome. Okay. That's your house. And let's go down the street here. Alright. There's the end of that street there. House again. House next to it. My car. And there's down towards Worcester. You recognize it? Alright. Enough of that.